Hey guys, I'm Indy Villacorta, and I ride for SeriousCycling Elite Team. We're hanging out in my crib today in Woodland Hills, California, and today I'm going to show you how to change a flat on your road bike. Start by taking the wheel off your bike. Once you have the wheel off your bike, grab your tire lever and find a good place to start. I like to start 2 inches from the valve. Insert the lever and use your body weight to push the lever forward and down. Once you have half of the bead off the wheel, you can remove the punctured inner tube. Then remove the tire for inspection. It is important to check what caused the flat, as we could puncture the new tube on the same issue. If you can't find what caused the flat in the tire, be sure to check the rim and rim strip as well. Be sure to check tire for rotation and install half of the tire. Make sure to add a little bit of air in the new tube to give it some shape. Pull the tire back and insert the new tube. Push the tube into the tire all the way around the wheel, then start to mount the other bead. Try to push the tire bead into the center channel of the rim to make the last part of the bead easier to mount. Push the valve into the tire to ensure it doesn't pinch in that area. Make sure the tube and tire is seated properly. By airing it up, have pressure. Then air it up to preferred pressure. Now put the wheel on the bike and get out and ride.